Aranko. This is the bone to ask, maybe it's not. Ikatua. That says it's not Aran. Ofo. Not Ofo. Irete bara. Irete ka. If I says Ofo. So we have different type of lusts. Because it's now telling that he's seeing lust for him. Maybe lose of something like property or something like. So we have to begin to ask which type of lust Ifa is talking about. Is it the most expensive lust for human life is lust of life, which is Ofo, love of life, Ofo-emi. Ifa Ofo-emi, Ifa lórí fún bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́. That says that the love of life. So after we know what exactly important for him right now that he needs to do, so then we need to ask for the solution, because it's now reflected on this Oduifa that it seems that if care is not taken, he may probably lose his life in this coming year, and may Lord Mary protect him, blood the order shouldn't there for him and for everyone that are looking at the website ifanura.com. So then we need to ask for the solution. The solution to the loss of life for him is to comply sacrifice. No. He needs the savior. Among the Orisa is with bone, is asking with bone, or Saroson. If I says no, he needs the savior. And we need to begin asking for who is the savior for him. Begin from Ifa as the God of knowledge. Ifa, you are the savior. You are the savior for him. No, it's bone. Ofun Gonda. Ifa says no, I am not the savior for him. Orisa, this is the supreme gods. Orisa.